Thomas here with my Traps, gonna give you another how-to video. This time we're gonna build something from Fortnite, but I'm gonna keep it simple. Something that most of you could build, and I'll tell you what, I'll even make a template even though it's super simple.
What?
It's in the description. We are going to attempt to make the Medkit from Fortnite. And let's make it an actual Medkit. Sounds like a good idea. Using magnets. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, pretty pleased with it. I did add a little craft foam in the middle here, just a little bit thicker to raise it up. You don't have to do that, but I did. And the little rivets in there, you take the Dremel sanding bit, push it up a little bit off of the holder, and then drive it down into the foam. You can watch my other videos to see how I do that. But should be a fairly simple build, especially with the template I made you. Hopefully it makes sense. It made sense to me. It's pretty straightforward. Maybe the coolest thing about this, it's an actual med kit. You can put your first aid stuff in there. Next time somebody gets hurt at your house, bust this out and they're like, what? Yeah, then you can be that cool kid. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Fortnite medkit building skills. So much so that they get hurt on purpose just so that you can work on them. I didn't say it was smart. Maybe you'll get some... And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. Oh, you got an alley? You got an alley? Let's hit you with some first aid.